What if the greatest obstacle standing between you and the life you dream of is not your background, not your education, not your finances, but the way you think? Right now, somewhere in the world, two people are facing the exact same challenge. One sees difficulty, pressure, and defeat. The other sees opportunity, growth, and a lesson waiting to be learned. One gives up. The other pushes forward. One stays where they are. The other transforms their life completely. What makes the difference? It's mindset. Your mindset is the invisible force that shapes every decision you make, every opportunity you notice, every risk you take, and every challenge you overcome. It determines whether you see failure as the end or as feedback, whether you see problems as barriers or stepping stones. Most people spend years chasing success without realizing success begins long before money, achievement, or recognition ever appear. Success starts in the mind. Before you can build a business, lead a team, create wealth, or change your life, you must first master the thoughts that guide your actions. The truth is, your external world often reflects your internal beliefs. If you believe you're limited, your actions will be limited. If you believe growth is possible, your life begins to expand. Today, we're diving deep into 5 life-changing lessons that reveal why your mindset determines your success and how changing the way you think can completely transform your future. Stay with me until the end, because the final lesson may completely change the way you see your life forever. Lesson 1. Success begins with what you believe. The architecture of a human life is drawn first in the blueprints of the mind. Every skyscraper, every breakthrough in medicine, and every personal triumph was a conceptual thought before it was a physical reality. This isn't just motivational fluff. It is a fundamental psychological principle. Our neurological pathways are wired to seek out evidence that supports our existing worldview. If you carry a core belief that the world is a place of scarcity and that you are fundamentally ill-equipped to navigate it, your brain will filter out opportunities and focus on threats. Consequently, every result you see in your external world, your bank account, your relationships, your career trajectory, is a downstream effect of the internal narrative you have chosen to accept as truth. To change the output, you must first audit the input of your belief system. The way you think about yourself acts as an invisible ceiling on your potential. This concept, often referred to as the self-image, dictates the perimeter of your comfort zone. If deep down you believe you are not a math person or not leadership material, you will unconsciously sabotage any situation that threatens to prove that belief wrong. This is the paradox of the human ego. It would rather be right and miserable than wrong and successful. If you view yourself as someone who is not smart enough, you will likely refrain from speaking up in meetings or applying for that ambitious role. You aren't being held back by a lack of talent. You are being held back by the psychological need to remain consistent with the small version of yourself you've created. You cannot consistently outperform the identity you hold in your heart. Upgrading your beliefs requires a radical shift from passive observation to active interrogation. Most of us inherited our beliefs from parents, teachers, and early childhood peers without ever questioning if they were actually true. We carry around hand-me-down limitations that don't belong to us. The first step toward success is to stop treating your thoughts as facts. Instead of asking, "Can I do this?" which implies there is a fixed limit to your ability, you must begin asking, "What if I am capable of far more than I've ever imagined?" This simple shift moves you from a fixed mindset to a growth mindset. It opens up a space of curiosity, where the impossible becomes a series of problems to be solved. The moment you decide that success is not just possible, but inevitable for someone with your work ethic and vision, your brain begins to rewire itself to find the path toward that reality. Lesson 2. Challenges build stronger minds. In the physical world, muscle is built through hypertrophy, the process of stressing the fibers until they experience micro tears, which the body then repairs to be stronger than before. The human mind operates under the exact same law of resistance. Life will inevitably test you with rejection, failure, and delays. These are not signs that you are on the wrong path. They are the weights you must lift to develop the mental muscle required for high-level success. Successful people don't possess a life free of obstacles. They possess a different relationship with those obstacles. They recognize that a smooth sea never made a skilled sailor. Every disappointment is a diagnostic tool, showing you exactly where your strategy was weak or where your resolve needs sharpening. The most profound shift a person can make is moving from a victim narrative to a student narrative. When a setback occurs, the natural human impulse is to ask, "Why is this happening to me?" This question is a trap. It implies you are a passive bystander in your own life, being bullied by fate. It leads to resentment and stagnation. However, shifting the question to, "What is this teaching me?" immediately restores your power. It turns a painful experience into a valuable asset. If a business venture fails, the student doesn't see a dead end. They see a tuition payment for a masterclass in entrepreneurship. They analyze the feedback, adapt their approach, and return to the arena with more data than they had before. In this light, failure isn't the opposite of success. It is a vital ingredient of it. Resilience is not a trait you are born with. It is a skill you forge in the fires of adversity. The strongest minds on the planet are almost always those that have endured the hardest seasons. When you face an unexpected obstacle and choose to stay the course instead of quitting, you are conditioning yourself for future greatness. You are teaching your nervous system that you can handle discomfort. This builds a deep, unshakable self-trust. Eventually, you stop fearing challenges because you know, based on past evidence, that you have the capacity to transmute struggle into strength. You begin to welcome the hard because you know the hard is what keeps the competition away. The obstacle is not in the way. The obstacle is the way. Lesson 3. Your environment shapes your thinking. Human beings are essentially social sponges. We are evolutionarily hardwired to mirror the behaviors, attitudes, and energy of the tribe we occupy. This is why your environment, the people you spend time with, the media you consume, and the physical spaces you inhabit, influences your mindset more than almost any other factor. If you are surrounded by 5 people who make excuses, complain about the economy, and settle for mediocrity, it is statistically likely that you will become the 6th. It is exhausting to try to be a big thinker in a small-minded room. Eventually, the gravity of their collective cynicism will pull your ambitions down to their level. You don't just catch a cold, you catch a mindset. Being intentional about your circle is not about being elitist. It is about being a steward of your own potential. Your conversations shape your reality. If your social circle spends its time discussing people and problems, your brain will be primed for gossip and worry. If your circle spends its time discussing ideas, goals, and growth, your brain will be primed for innovation and action. You must audit your relationships with ruthless honesty. Ask yourself, does this person make me want to be better? Or do they make me feel like I need to dim my light to make them comfortable? Success often requires the painful realization that you cannot take everyone with you. To reach a new level of life, you may have to leave behind the environments that were built for the old version of you. Beyond the people you associate with, your digital and physical environments also play a critical role in your mental health. In the modern age, your environment includes your social media feed, the podcasts you listen to, and the news you consume. If you feed your mind a steady diet of outrage and triviality, you cannot expect it to produce deep work and visionary thinking. Protect your mind as if it were a high-value asset, because it is. Curate your inputs to include voices that challenge you, inspire you, and teach you things you don't know. By intentionally designing an environment of excellence, you make growth the path of least resistance. When your surroundings reflect the person you want to become, your transformation happens almost automatically. Lesson 4. Discipline creates confidence. There is a common misconception that confidence is a feeling you have to wait for before you take action. People often say, "I'll start that project when I feel more confident." In reality, the cycle works in the exact opposite direction. Action is the cause of confidence, not the result. Confidence is fundamentally the reputation you have with yourself. Every time you make a promise, like saying you'll work out at 6 a.m., and you follow through, you earn a reputation point with your subconscious. Conversely, every time you break a promise to yourself, you lose trust in your own word. Discipline is simply the act of keeping those promises, and it is the only sustainable foundation for true self-assurance. Motivation is a fickle and unreliable friend. It shows up when the weather is nice and the goal feels new, but it disappears the moment things get boring or difficult. Discipline, however, is the ability to perform whether you feel like it or not. It is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. When you operate with discipline, You are essentially telling your emotions, "I hear you, but you aren't in charge." This creates a profound sense of personal power. You stop being a slave to your moods and start being a master of your habits. This shift is where true confidence is born, not from an external accolade, but from the internal knowledge that you are a person of integrity who does what they say they will do. The beauty of discipline is that it compounds. Small, disciplined actions repeated daily may seem insignificant in the moment, but over a year or a decade, they create extraordinary results. This is the boring secret to success. It's not about the one-time heroic effort. It's about the mundane consistency of showing up when you'd rather stay in bed. As you stack these wins, your self-respect grows. You begin to realize that you are capable of steering your life in any direction you choose. You are no longer hoping for success. You are building it, brick by brick. Discipline is the ultimate form of self-love because it ignores immediate gratification in favor of long-term fulfillment. Lesson 5. Growth never stops. The greatest trap of success is the illusion of the finish line. Many people view success as a destination, a specific salary, a job title, or a trophy, believing that once they arrive, they can stop. However, the moment you stop growing, you begin to decay. In nature, there is no such thing as staying the same. An organism is either growing or it is dying. The most successful individuals in history understand that success is a lifelong journey of becoming. They don't just work on their businesses or their crafts, they work on themselves. They realize that the person they are today is not equipped for the challenges they will face tomorrow, and so they remain in a perpetual state of evolution. A growth mindset is characterized by a relentless curiosity and a radical humility. It requires the courage to admit that what worked yesterday might not work today. The moment you think you know everything, you have effectively closed your mind to new possibilities and blinded yourself to your own weaknesses. To maintain lasting success, you must remain a student. This means reading books outside of your field, seeking out mentors who are 10 steps ahead of you, and constantly challenging your own assumptions. It means being willing to be the dumbest person in the room so that you have the most to learn. Growth is uncomfortable, but it is the only place where life truly happens. Ultimately, the person you become during the pursuit of your goals is far more valuable than the goals themselves. Money can be lost, titles can be taken away, and circumstances can change overnight. But the character you build, the skills you acquire, and the perspective you develop through continuous growth are yours forever. They are recess-proof assets. When you focus on growth rather than just achievement, you create a life that is rich in meaning and resilience. You realize that there is no peak to reach, only a series of ever higher plateaus with more beautiful views. Success, then, is not what you have, but who you are and how much more you are willing to become. At the end of the day, success is not determined by luck. It's not determined by where you were born, what resources you started with, or how many advantages you had. Success is determined by how you think. Your mindset influences your choices. Your choices shape your habits. Your habits create your future. That means the life you're building tomorrow depends on the thoughts you choose today. If you believe you can grow, you'll seek opportunities. If you believe challenges can teach you, you'll become stronger. If you believe discipline matters, you'll become unstoppable. And if you commit to lifelong growth, there's no limit to what you can become. The truth is, greatness doesn't belong to the most talented. It belongs to those who refuse to stop growing. It belongs to those who keep moving when life gets hard. It belongs to those who choose belief over doubt, action over excuses, and vision over fear. So today, make a decision. Stop focusing on what's outside of your control. Stop waiting for perfect conditions. Stop letting old beliefs define your future. Instead, train your mind, strengthen your discipline, protect your energy, believe bigger. Because the moment your mindset changes, everything begins to change. Your income can change, your relationships can change, your confidence can change, your future can change, and it all begins with one powerful decision: to think differently. If you hold on to that truth, success won't just be something you chase. It will become who you are.